Hello. Welcome to this PIPEX tutorial. In this video I want to show you how you can create and manage projects with PIPEX. To access project management, double-click the corresponding entry in the client table or click the Open button in the toolbar. For a new client, the project table is empty of course. To create a new project now, either press the function key F5 or click on the corresponding button in the toolbar. For each new project some basic settings must be made. First select the data format. In the next step you can select the appropriate catalog and a pick list. These settings cannot be changed later. The catalog contains all possible observation. The pick lists contain descriptions and codes for most of the fields of the survey header. The field start date and last changed are filled in automatically and can be set only once when editing the data for a new project. Now continue to enter the data for the new project. The text in the remark field can later be printed out on an extra memo sheet. Finally save the project by clicking on the corresponding button in the toolbar or by pressing the F2 key. The project can be opened by clicking on the Open button or by pressing the F2 key for the acquisition of the data of the optical inspection. Now let's go back to the project management. By clicking on the Edit button or by pressing the F3 key, all data can be edited except the selections for data format, catalog and pick list. By pressing the F4 key or by clicking on the Delete button, the entire project with all the survey data contained therein can be deleted. Every deletion process is secured by a query. There are several ways to return to the client management. Either click the Return button, or press the Escape key or right-click in the project table. Thanks for watching. Please also note the other training films. Subscribe to our channel and receive a notification when there are new tutorials.